Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can create a broadcast channel on Instagram. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. Open your Instagram. Now keep in mind that there is no option available at the moment to which you can create a broadcast channel on Instagram. But you can do one thing, that is you can use Instagram Live to broadcast to your followers in real time. To start Instagram Live, swipe left from your Instagram home screen to access the camera, and now go to the live option given at the bottom. Now from here you can start your broadcast and contact or interact with your viewers through comments and likes. Also, you can save your live video on your camera roll and then later you can share it on your profile or stories. So everyone, this is how you can broadcast on Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.